Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the grammar. So in the last grammar ಅಲ್ಲಿ we learnt about adding letter a for the words. Alva? If you have not yet seen those videos, I request you to watch those videos, previous videos, then come to this one. And I leave the link for the complete playlist, the Kannada Grammar playlist here, and you can also check out in the description box. Let's start with the today's learning. So last class we learned about when there is a word that ends with a sound like a mara, when I'm adding a for that one, then it will become marada, which is basically apostrophe. Yes, trees. So this is a trees branch, Ram's book. So that is what it indicates actually. Okay, so ivaga we are learning the word. If my word ends with the sound a or a e, or a e, and if I'm adding a for that, you are very familiar because of the previous after watching the previous videos, you have to add letter ya. Wonderful. So if my word ends with a or a e sounding, then if I'm adding a for that, then it will become maniya. Gaviya. Gavi means a cave. Gaviya bagilu. Cave's door. House. Maneya bagilu. So don't write mane bagilu muchu when you're writing sentences. It is not grammatically right. Close the door is mane bagilu muchu. No, you have to add ya. Maneya bagilu muchu. Marada mele. On the tree's top. Marada mele. Okay, so that is why we are concerned about adding a letter a apostrophe. Yes, the usage of that one. Okay, now let's learn for the few more words. Huli plus a. Tiger's tail. Huliya bala. Aaneya mukha. The face of a elephant. Elephant is aane. Tatte is a plate. Batte is a cloth. You have to write the answers for this one. Nadi is a river. Nadiya. Kereya. Kere is a lake. Mane we already wrote it. Maragida and all you have to add da. Next is a kiwi. Kiwiya. Kiwi means ear. Hotte. Hotte is a stomach. Hotteya. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Wherever the word ends with the e or a, we will be adding a ya kagunita for that one. So if it is a alli, then it will become yalli. If it's a inda, yinda. If it's a, then it is a ya. So please practice Madi and do check out the previous videos also if you have not understood the concept clearly. If you will be very comfortable after watching the previous videos. I'll meet you with the next video on the Helta. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the grammar. Okay, thank you so much. Namaskara, dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is being there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is being mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshops Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.